So we're just going to go write random words that you can use in very simple conversations. So you can say, for example, نعم. 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 Yes. نعم. Yes. The opposite of نعم is لا. And because I'm using lam and alif, I'm crossing them. So this is yes and no. نعم لا. I could say, أنت Joseph? Are you Joseph? أنت Joseph? نعم. نعم. I can say, أنت فرحان? Are you happy? أنت فرحان? نعم. Or لا. No. لا. لا. No. So نعم and لا. You're asking somebody something or you're just excusing yourself. You say, من فضلك. من فضلك. Excuse me. من فضلك. من فضلك. Yep. You can say, please, من فضلك. من فضلك. And look, you see a kasra here. Are you addressing a female or a male? A female. If it was a male, you're going to say من فضلك. Okay? من فضلك. Female. من فضلك. That is a male. Please. من فضلك. من فضلك. Right here. It's for a male. Okay? من فضلك. من فضلك. Excuse me. Or you can say عفوا, which is like as if you're saying sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. عفوا. عفوا. I'm going to put this note right here so you remember this one. Whenever you see alif with two, right here, alif with two fathas, that means this makes the sound N. We call it tanween. Just as in shukran, thank you, you say shukran. You see this part? You refer to it with alif with two fathas. Call it tanween. Shukran, afwan, right here, afwan, excuse me, or sorry, afwan. So this is alif with two fatha. Right here, it's called tanween. Tanween. Okay? So you're going through, you're in a very, very busy market. You need to excuse yourself and move. You say afwan. Afwan. Min fadlak. You could be asking somebody something. And min fadlak, to get their attention. Min fadlak or min fadlak. Min fadlak, where is, and you can just complete your sentence. Min fadlak, where can I find this and that? Okay? You hit someone and you did not see him. What do you say in Arabic? Sorry. Asif. Okay? Asif. Remember this one? What is this? Two alifs. Long vowel. Yeah. Perfect. Asif. A girl, what is she going to say? So this is asif. Sorry. A girl, what is she going to say? Asifa. The other form of referring to females is ta marbuta. Asifa. Asifa. Asif. Asifa. آسف. So, آسف, آسفة. Somebody's talking to you really fast in Arabic. What do you think you're going to tell them? شوية شوي. You can say little by little. You can use that as like informal. You can still use it. شوية شوي. But you could say تكلم. Speak slowly. تكلم ببطء. تكلم. That's for male. ببطء. I'm going to write female on a different line. ببطء. تكلم ببطء. تكلم ببطء. Speak slowly. تكلم. You see how I'm doubling the L? Because there is a stress on this one. I'm going to put it right here. There is a shadda. تكلم ببطء. And you put بطء. This is a hamza. It makes a sound. Speak slowly. تكلم ببطء. Can you repeat that? تكلم. تكلم ببطء. Okay. Who do you think I'm addressing now? A female or male?
Male.
Male. Good. I'm going to address a female. I'm going to say تكلمي. I'm going to use E at the end. تكلمي ببطء. Same. تكلمي ببطء. So you can say, just speak slowly. You can say, I don't understand. لا أفهم. لا. Do you see how I'm writing لا? You could either write it this way, as I showed you earlier, or you can just cross it. It's up to you. Okay? لا. لا, right here, down here on the board. لا. لا. لا أفهم. لا أفهم. لا أفهم. Okay? So let me write it down here. I'm going to write it up here so you can see it. لا أفهم. لا أفهم. Both genders can say لا أفهم. I don't understand. I don't understand. لا أفهم. When you can say, excuse me, لا أفهم. عفوا لا أفهم. عفوا لا أفهم. Can you say that? عفوا لا أفهم. لا أفهم. لا أفهم. لا is for negation, because لا is what? When you say لا means no. لا, no. And you want to say yes. What do you say?
No.
نعم. And then you want to say yes, I understand. نعم أفهم. نعم أفهم. Okay? Does that make sense? Okay. لا أفهم. لا أفهم. And then you're going to say مساعدة. First, the number one word you need to know in Arabic, you need help. So you say ساعدني. You're asking a male, you're going to say help me. ساعدني. ساعدني. Help me. ساعدني. Oh, what word can you use with ساعدني from here? Please Help me please. Perfect. من فضلك. Because you're talking to male. You say ساعدني من فضلك. Or ساعدني من فضلك. Oh, about a dot here. ساعدني من فضلك. You're asking a female. You're going to say ساعديني. ديني. ساعديني من فضلك. ساعديني من فضلك. Help me please. ساعديني من فضلك. ساعديني. Look here. ساعدني. Here. ساعديني من فضلك. ساعديني من فضلك. Okay? ساعديني من فضلك. Alright, 2 more expressions. أتكلم العربية. ما معنى هذا؟ What does this mean? أتكلم العربية. I speak Arabic. أتكلم العربية. العربية is Arabic. Does that make sense? Yeah. Because you're saying the Arabic, you're just making it definite. That's why you have alif lam there. But you say أتكلم العربية. أتكلم العربية. And you could say, I don't speak Arabic. Help me. لا أتكلم العربية. What's the word for help me? ساعدني. Please. من فضلك. لا أتكلم العربية. ساعدني. So you're going to say لا for negation. لا أتكلم. Same phrase. All you have to do is put لا. لا أتكلم العربية. ساعدني. Help me. Okay? ساعدني. لا أتكلم العربية. ساعدني. Let's repeat it all together. لا أتكلم. لا أتكلم العربية. ساعدني. لا أفهم. ما معنى لا أفهم؟ I don't understand. لا أفهم. تكلم. Speak. تكلم ببطء. ببطء. تكلم ببطء. Speak slowly. لا أفهم. Speak slowly. لا أفهم. لا أتكلم العربية. That's the first phrase I know in Spanish. No hablo español. I don't know anything else in Spanish. But you can say لا أتكلم العربية. لا أتكلم العربية. ممتاز. Perfect. جيد. So these are more expressions and words.